Sairam students, welcome back. Today we will start 19th lesson Inventions and Discoveries. A discovery is the act of recognizing, explaining something that is already exists for the first time that nobody has found before. An invention is creating something totally new with one's own ideas, development and experiences and make inventions unique. Columbus discovered America. Thomas Edison invented light bulbs. Let's check. Do you know these inventions and discoveries? Tick the appropriate option. First, who introduced the Montessori method of teaching children? Options: A. Maria Montessori, B. Dalton, C. Newton, D. Bohr. Answer: Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori was an Italian physician, educator, and innovator, acclaimed for her educational method that builds on the way children learn naturally. She opened the first Montessori school, the Casa di Bambini, or Children's House, in Rome on January 6, 1907. It is a child-centered educational approach based on scientific observations of children. Her book, The Montessori Method, has been translated into many different languages. Second, who formulated the laws of heredity? Options: A. Hahnemann, B. Mendel, C. Marx, D. Cavendish. Answer: Mendel. The principles of heredity formulated by Austrian-born botanist, teacher and Augustinian prelate Gregor Mendel in 1865. These principles compose what is known as the system of particulate inheritance by units or genes. The first of Mendel's laws states that genes are transferred as separate and distinct units from one generation to the next. Through his work on pea plants, discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance. He deduced that genes come in pairs and are inherited as distinct units, one from each parent. Third, who prepared the periodic table? Options: A. Macmillan, B. Wegener, C. Mendeleev, D. Chadwick. Answer: C. Mendeleev. In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev started the development of the periodic table, arranging chemical elements by atomic mass. He predicted the discovery of other elements and left spaces open in his periodic table for them. He is best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a far-sighted version of the periodic table of elements. Fourth, who gave the theory of conditioning? Options: A. Pavlov, B. Babbage, C. Lewis, D. Charles Darwin. Answer: A. Pavlov. Pavlovian conditioning is learning through association and was discovered by Pavlov, a Russian physiologist. In simple terms, two stimuli are linked together to produce a new learned response in a person or animal. In 1904, this work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. His principles have been applied to behavior therapies for educational classrooms and for reducing phobias via systematic desensitization. Fifth, who discovered the malaria parasite? Options: A. Madame Curie, B. Ronald Ross, C. Newton, D. Jane Austen. Answer: B. Ronald Ross. On 20 August 1897, in Sikandarabad, Ross made his landmark discovery while dissecting the stomach tissue of an Anopheles mosquito fed 4 days previously on a malarious patient. He found the malaria parasite and went on to prove the role of Anopheles mosquitoes in the transmission of malaria parasites in humans. He was a British medical doctor who received the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine in 1902 for his work on the transmission of malaria. becoming the first British Nobel laureate. Sixth, who pioneered the atomic research? Options: A. Pascal, B. Dalton, C. Rutherford, D. Hahnemann. Answer: B. Dalton. The English meteorologist and chemist Dalton's atomic theory was the first complete attempt to describe all matter in terms of atoms and their properties. The first part formulated the first modern description of it as the fundamental building blocks of chemical structures. Dalton developed the law of multiple proportions. Students who have completed question answers. Students, please do the correction in Did You Know column. Did you know Derek Jacobs was the first 14-year-old boy who implanted a rice-sized device called a very chip in his arm? I hope you all have copied this in your textbook. Students who have completed 19th lesson. Now we will start 20th lesson. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remains as one. With this quote, we will start our next lesson, Sporting Families. Complete this table by naming one person in the families of these sports person who is also an acclaimed sportsperson in his or her own right. Also mention the sport each individual is well known for. First, Steve Waugh, sport played cricket. Steve Waugh is a former Australian international cricketer, considered the most successful Test captain in cricket history with 41 matches won and only 9 matches lost with a winning ratio of 72%. Mark Waugh, sport played cricket. Mark Waugh is an Australian cricket commentator and former Australian international cricketer and twin brother of cricketer Steve Waugh. Second, Ramesh Krishnan, sport played tennis. Ramesh Krishnan is a tennis coach and former professional tennis player from India. As a junior player in the late 1970s, he won the singles titles at both Wimbledon and the French Open. Ramanathan Krishnan, sport played tennis. Ramesh Krishnan is the son of Ramanathan Krishnan, who was one of the world's leading tennis players in the 1960s. Third, Leander Paes, sport played tennis. Leander Paes is an Indian professional tennis player. He is widely considered one of the greatest doubles players in the history of the sport. He holds the record for the most doubles wins in the Davis Cup. Paes has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. VC Paes, sport played hockey. VC Paes is a former Indian hockey midfielder and representing the Indian team in the 1972 Munich Olympics that won the bronze medal. He is the father of India's tennis player Leander Paes. He is also a doctor in sports medicine. Fourth, Venus Williams, sport played tennis. Venus Ebony Star Williams is a former world number one in both singles and doubles. Williams is generally regarded as one of the all-time greats of women's tennis. Serena Williams, sport played tennis. The Williams sisters are two professional American tennis players. Venus Williams, a 7-time Grand Slam title winner in singles, and Serena Williams, 23 times Grand Slam title winner in singles, both of whom were coached from an early age by their parents, Richard Williams and Orson Price. Fifth, Irfan Pathan, sport played cricket. Irfan Pathan is an Indian former cricketer who played all formats of the game. He was a bowling all-rounder. He was a member of the India team that won the 2007 ICC World T20 and 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. Yusuf Pathan, sport played cricket. Elder brother Yusuf Pathan is an Indian international cricketer. He is a right-handed batsman and a right-arm off-break bowler. Sixth, Muhammad Ali sport played boxing. Muhammad Ali was an American professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist, nicknamed the Greatest. He is widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated figures of the 20th century and as one of the greatest boxers of all time. Laila Ali sport played boxing. Laila Amaria Ali is an American television personality and former professional boxer who competed from 1999 to 2007. She is the daughter of Muhammad Ali. Lala Amarnath sport played cricket. Lala Amarnath Bharadwaj was an Indian cricketer. He was the first batsman ever to score a century for India in the Test cricket. He was Independent India's first cricket captain and captained India in the first Test series win against Pakistan in 1952. Mohinder Amarnath sport played cricket. Mohinder, nicknamed Jimmy Amarnath Bharadwaj, is an Indian former cricketer and current cricket analyst. He is the son of Lala Amarnath. 8. Sunil Gavaskar, sport played cricket. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar, often known as Sunny Gavaskar, is a former Indian international cricketer who played from the early 1970s to the late 1980s for the Bombay cricket team and Indian national team. He was the first person to score centuries in both innings of a test match 3 times. Rohan Gavaskar, sport played cricket. Rohan Sunil Gavaskar is an Indian former cricketer. He played in 11 one-day internationals. He was a middle-order left-handed batsman and an occasional slow left-arm orthodox bowler. Ninth, Milkha Singh, sport played athlete. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, is an Indian former track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. Jeev Singh, sport played golf. Jeev Milkha Singh is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour in 1998. He has won 4 events on the European Tour, becoming the most successful Indian on tour. Do you know, students? The Yuva Bharati Kridangan Stadium of Kolkata is a multi-purpose stadium located at Bidhannagar, West Bengal. It is also known as Salt Lake Stadium. It is the second largest stadium in India, and before its renovation in 2011, it was the second largest football stadium in the world. It is associated football with capacity of 85,000. Before 2011, the capacity was 1,20,000 and currently used for football matches and athletics. Students were completed 28th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Who invented the first computer? Yes, what's the answer, students? Charles Babbage. He designed 3 computers but never actually constructed any of them. In 1991, the British Science Museum constructed the design from Babbage's original plans. It took 6 years to build, weighs 4,535.92 kg. Students were completed 19th and 20th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.